Hi there, this is a quick review of the development that's been done to the Content Interactive Journals path. This change allows you to show landing pages to journal websites on Wiley Online Library, in addition to showing the more traditional journal sample articles that you would upload as PDFs. So I'm going to walk you quickly through the process of uploading and changing between PDFs and websites. So within the journals path, the first thing you can do is when you're uploading or editing any of your materials, you'll see that there's a difference. Right now, you can see that this first one here on the left is a PDF and there's 8 pages. Down here on the right, you'll see that I now have a site for the Journal of Neurochemistry. And the reason you know that is because this is not a PDF, it's an image, it's a JPEG. So if I click on this, it's going to tell me that on the Content Interactive that we are basically going to be showing this website. And it's basically the landing page to the Journal of Neurochemistry. So going back to that, if I wanted to test any of the email links in the email that are going out, I would do the same thing and it would show me again that this is being linked to the Journal of Neurochemistry. So when you're adding any specific material, the same thing happens again. You select a file right off your desktop, and you have the option of selecting either a PDF or a JPEG. So if you select a JPEG, the system is automatically going to assume that you are loading a website because it is only one page and not an article. So it will give you the options and it will automatically link the landing page to Wiley Online Library. So this particular journal, it looked up right away the site for this journal, the Molecular Reproduction and Development. The same thing again, if I individually upload a PDF, I'm going to select a PDF here. And it's going to take a second longer because it's a bigger document. It's going to take a second to generate. Once it does generate, however, you'll see the same thing. Once I go back to the journals, it'll take a second. You'll see that it's generating. The little spinner means here that it's rendering the images. It's a 19-page PDF, which means that you'll be showing the article on the CI. At any point, if you decide that you do not wish to show the actual landing site to that article, you could delete that and insert instead. You could even insert a different landing site here. Save your changes. The email, however, will always link you back to the journal homepage, whatever you decide to show. If you decide to change a PDF here and edit it and turn it into a website by inserting a web link here, it will automatically change it to a site and only show you the first page as the button image on the URL. That's how you change things individually. The other thing you can do is you can upload a zip file again of pretty much anything you wanted to. You can combine the JPEGs and the articles, cover images. So what you would do is select your zip, and this is a large file. You're going to upload it the same way. It's going to take a couple minutes. So I already uploaded this and I'm going to show you what happens. But basically you'll see that it pulls all your results and it shows you to the right. And then it displays everything the same way. The one thing you should note also is that the program's been redone so that if you don't have a dash in the ISSN, that's either the EISSN or the PISSN, it will remove it and it will still recognize. it. So you can just link it and extract it from wherever you get your articles or your images. You can zip them together and create a category all at once. So that's really it. Once you are done, you go back into your site and you can edit your journals that way. So thanks for watching.